Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone.
Welcome to my channel.
I'm Maliha, and I'm super excited to have you here. I'm a front-end web developer with 3 years of experience in the world of web development. I work with modern web technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, Next.js, Node.js, Express.js, and MongoDB. I also love working with design frameworks like Tailwind CSS, Bootstrap, and I use GitHub, Netlify, and Vercel to deploy my websites. I'm also passionate about using AI tools to speed up development, improve creativity, and explore the future of coding. I started this channel to share my knowledge, experiences, and tutorials with you all. Whether you're just starting or want to improve your skills, this channel is for students, developers, and tech lovers. Here, you'll find videos on web development tutorials, real-world projects, tech tips, career advice, and a lot more. If you're excited to learn and grow with me, hit that subscribe button and let's build something amazing together. Front-end developer, mentor, tech enthusiast. Follow me on this journey to build, learn, and grow.